Alright, so I'm in the Rav4 Limited now. I know you were asking about the Entune app and everything and how to almost do stuff. So what we're going to do is download the Entune app suite onto the Rav4. So first thing you have to do is make sure you have the Entune app suite on your phone. Once you have the Entune app suite on your phone, it should just be in the Play Store or whatever the app store is you have, depending on your phone. You're going to download that. Once you have the Entune app suite downloaded, you are going to hook up your phone via Bluetooth. And then once your phone is connected Bluetooth, you can see mine's connected there. It's going to come up on your display and say mandatory update needed for Entune app suite. You're going to hit yes, and you're going to let it download. You can be connected to Wi-Fi or off your phone to get it downloaded. Now, when you download the Entune app suite, make sure it is paired up with the vehicle VIN number. Or you can go to your local dealership. You can come here and you can come see me, and what I'll do is I'll pair it to your car as well. But then you're going to download it to the vehicle. So it'll say downloading, and it'll basically do this whole thing. Then after it downloads, then it's going to install it. So it only takes a couple seconds. You can see how it's already at 60-something%, because then it's going to install it. And pretty much once it's installed, you'll see all the different options that you can do, Pandora and things like that. So like if you have a Pandora account on your Entune app suite, you just link up the two emails together, and then that way you can access your Pandora account. There's a couple other apps that I'll be showing you in a second that you can do, and then that way you can access those. You can also, if you are driving or whatnot, you can also install it in the background. That way you can keep your audio or whatever up. So once you install it, obviously I know you have your navigation, your audio, phone, etc. You're going to hit this arrow over here. You're going to tap that, it's going to bring up everything else. So you have your fuel guide, your stocks, sports, Yelp, Slacker radio, Facebook places, save destinations, Pandora, open table, blah blah blah. So all these. So like if you have your Pandora account open, obviously it does use off your phone data, but it's kind of neat because especially if you don't have Sirius XM radio, you can just hit Pandora, and like I said, it does stream off your phone data, but at least then you can listen to the Pandora. So it's loading right now. There you go. So you can listen. You can tell I got kids, so they gotta let it go. So you can hit let it go or whatever you want, and then that way you can listen to that station just like you would off of your phone. Or what you could do is you can go, to Limp Bizkit or Blake Shelton, etc. It's gonna receive everything from there. Once everything's received, obviously your audio has to be turned up, and your phone, I believe, also has to be turned up too. I think I have mine down actually, but you're gonna have your phone audio up as well, and then everything's gonna come up. So it'll have the artist and everything up. So that's a little bit about the Pandora. So I know you asked about the audio too. You're gonna press audio. Once you press audio, you have your AM, your FM, everything now. Of course, now you have Pandora and iHeartRadio and Slacker, but if you just tap it, if you're locked and you're at this screen, all what you're going to do is, if you're at this screen, you're going to hit source, and then you're back to this main screen. Any other questions, let me know. Thanks.